Hi friends, welcome to Shraddha Tutorials. Today we are going to solve a problem from real numbers of class 10. Okay, what is the problem here? So we have to prove here root 3 as an irrational number. So we have to prove the root 3 as an irrational number. Here first I will assume that root 3 as a rational number, and finally I will conclude that root 3 is not a rational number. If it is not a rational number, then it is nothing but an irrational number. Okay, so first let me assume that root 3 is a rational number. Okay, so let us assume root 3 as a rational number, See, if it is a rational number, it can be written in the form of a by b. We know that what exactly a rational number is. A number which can be written in the form of a by b is nothing but a rational number. Now, if root 3 is a rational number, then there exists a and b such that root 3 will be equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes and b not equal to 0. B should not be equal to 0. Okay, then here we have to see that a and b, that is numerator and denominator, as co-primes. A and b are co-primes, means it has only one as a factor, common factor. Okay, yes. Now I will be squaring both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. Okay, if I square LHS will be 3 and RHS will be a square by b square. Now this can be written as 3b square is equal to a square. Now if I take this 3 this side, then that is nothing but a square by 3, means 3 divides a square. Okay, so 3 divides a square. If 3 divides a square, 3 also divides. So then 3 also divides a, according to theorem 1.3. What exactly theorem 1.3 says? If there is a prime number p, if it divides a square, where a is any positive integer, means if p divides a square, then p also divides a, means that positive integer. If p divides square of any positive integer, then p also divides that positive integer. Okay, yes. Now here, so 3 divides a square means 3 also divides a. If a is able to divide by 3, then a can be written as 3k. Example, k may be any value. So a can be written as 3k. If I substitute a is equal to 3k in this equation, let this be equation 1. Okay, so substituting a is equal to 3k in equation 1, it will be something like 3b square is equal to 3k whole square. So this can be written as 3b square is equal to 9k square. Means here it get cancels 3 times. So this can be written as b square is equal to 3k square. Means if I take this 3 this side, that is nothing but 3 divides b square, isn't it? 3 divides b square. So 3 divides b square. If 3 divides b square, then it also divides b. See, if 3 divides b can be written in the form of, again, like something like a 3q. Example. So here, see, a is written in the form of 3k here. Here b is written in the form of 3 some value, 3 into some value, that is here 3q. Okay, now here 3 is a factor for a, and here 3 is a factor for b. Now see here, actually when we took here a and b, they are co-primes, means apart from 1 it should not have any other factor, but here 3 is factor for a and 3 is also factor for b, isn't it? So therefore a and b have at least 3 as a factor. 3 as a factor. Now see here, a and b is having a and b are having 3 as a common factor, but this is contradictory to this statement. Which statement here? A and b are co-primes, isn't it? So let me write here. So this is, or this contradicts to fact that A and B are co-primes. Is it not? See, here we got A and B have at least 3 as a common factor, but here we took A and B as co-primes, which has only 1 as a common factor. So now I am having 1 and even 3 also. So if I have more than 1 common factor for the given values, then those values are not co-primes, isn't it? So here we got that as not co-primes, but here we took as co-primes. So why this happens here? What is the reason? Means first of all, we assume something like root 3 as a rational number, itself wrong, means our assumption is wrong. Okay, now I will be writing here as this contradiction is because of assuming root 3 as a rational number. So means our assumption is wrong. So it's a wrong assumption. So we should not assume this as a rational number. Which one? Root 3 as rational number. So we conclude that root 3 is an irrational number. I hope you all understood the content what I have discussed in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.